Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a website in WIX so you can reuse your work without breaking anything. Let's get to it. From your dashboard, whether you're in Setup or Home, navigate up to the Site Actions menu up here in the upper right corner, and then select Duplicate Site. Here you're being prompted for a site name for your duplicate site. So by default, WIX will give you the name of your current site with the word copy after it. If you don't like that, you can click in this field and type in the name of the site you want. Once you're ready, click duplicate. And in a matter of about 4 to 5 seconds, you will have a duplicated site. There's a message down here. It says your site was duplicated successfully. Check it out. And there we have it. Our duplicated website is now loaded into the editor so you can start to design it. You can validate that by looking up here. Best of Recipes Copy is the site that's currently loaded. You can click on there, and then you can flip between the primary site and the duplicated site. And if you go to all sites, you can see it here as well. Now, if you want to rename this, you can, again, click on Site Actions, and you can rename site to what you want. And if for some reason you want to delete it, you can scroll down here to Move to Trash. Click that. You'll be prompted, do you want to move to trash? Sites will be kept in trash for 90 days, so we'll go ahead and move this to trash. Site was moved to trash. Go to trash. And here's our trash, and there you go. Our site is in there. You decide, hey, I want to restore this. Let's go ahead and click Restore Site. You're about to restore your Best of Recipes copy. We'll click Restore. And we'll go back up here to All Sites. And as you can see, it's been restored back. That's it. That is how you duplicate a website. In the video description below, I will detail settings that won't move when you duplicate a site. There's certain apps and settings that won't move. I'll detail that below so you're aware of that. But that's it. It's a pretty simple process. Please comment below, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.